This is the start of another blizzard here in North Dakota. The snow is a lot wetter, but we're still supposed to get about like 8 more inches. The craziest part is that we've had 2 major blizzards in a span of less than 2 weeks, and this is the second one. The snow is supposed to get heavier and the wind is supposed to get up to 65 miles per hour gusts, and we could see accumulations of over a foot. It would be pretty insane, but you can see those big stacks there are still from the other storm, which happened about a week and a half ago. Yeah, it's supposed to get worse as time goes on, and we're gonna have a lot of shoveling to do.